pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciagas, trying to pull out the fabulous. 'Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. But if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health. I want you on my team. So does everybody else.
We're rich. We're the rich.
Do I have drink elephant paper squishy?
Giant Squishmallow Kitty Squishy. It took me about 4 hours to make. Yes, 4. For size comparison, here's my hand. And honestly, it's not that squishy unless you like put a lot of effort into it. It's really cute. The ears are kind of squishy too. This one is more squishy. And it has like a really nice sound if you go like that with it.
I don't have it. I'm gonna make it. Okay, I'm gonna make this one. Like this.
How to make this really cute kawaii paper squishy, and it takes you 5 minutes to make. Let's go. Get your paper and draw your design. Get your pencil and sketch your design of your paper squishy. This is how my design looks. Now highlight it with a sharper. This is how mine looks. It's super cute. Now color everything in. This is how it should look. Now cut it out. Just like this. Now you want to tape all of it and cut the tape out. Just so that it should look like this. Now you want to tape them on the side and put the filling inside. I will show you how to do that. Just like this, and then tape the back, just like that, and keep repeating it. This is how it should look, all taped up and all sealed up. But remember to leave a hole here so you can put the filling in. Get your filling. I'm using Toy Stop's filling. You can use Snow Bib or trash bag. Just put it in the hole until it's all filled up. It should look like this after that. Now don't forget to dip this part, and it will be done. Make sure the end result. This is how it looks. It's amazing. Definitely try this, and it's so satisfying to play with.
Watch this, y'all. It's my hidden talent. Oh, you want me to do it again?
It's the chemistry, it's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time.
Do I have kinder? No, I don't.
What's the problem, dog? Your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're proud.